Welcome back to Beautiful Day. This is Weather HQ. The Philippines is one of the world's top coconut producers, and coconut oil isn't just for cooking anymore. It now fuels our drive toward cleaner, greener energy through biodiesel. With the government eyeing a biodiesel blend boost by 2026, industry leaders say the local coconut supply should be ready. But questions remain about pricing, production, and sustainability. Now, to know more about the industry's outlook and readiness, we're joined via Zoom by Mr. Jess Aranza, the chairman of the Coconut Oil Refiners Association and director at the United Coconuts Association of the Philippines. Magandang umaga, Mr. Aranza. Welcome to Beautiful Day.
Magandang umaga rin sa iyo at magandang umaga sa buong bilyonaryo.
Sir Aranza, let's take a look first at yung desisyon ng DOE na i-delay yung biodiesel blend increase to 2026. Bakit po kailangan i-delay, and is the industry ready for this despite the delay?
Yan ang hindi ko maintindihan. No? I can read that and stuff because can I give you a little background?
Yes, sir.
No? Yung the biodiesel was developed, itong paghalo ng coconut, is because at that time, coconut has a very low price in the world market. So, we opened that para matulungan ng coconut industry. However, as time goes by, bumagsak ang presyo ng palm oil. Palm oil. And palm oil is used by Malaysia and by Indonesia as biodiesel additive. No? So, napakamura noon. And then, so I was suggesting that there should be a threshold na if the price is a certain difference, lower ang palm oil, you can import the palm oil to use that. And you can, and then vice versa if it is the other way around. However, they were accusing me of not loyal to the coconut industry. But my point is this. The fact is, there is a law kasi that if you import, anything you import and it is used as animal feeds compounder, it is exempted from the payment of value-added tax. So what happened is there was an increase in the importation of palm oil. Palm oil, by the way, is a derivative from palm oil, fractionated, ibig sabihin, dinaan sa freezing ng 11%, and yung liquid, yun ang natira. And that will not coagulate easily. No? So, yun ang pwedeng ihalo. So, ini-import nila. But there is a condition by the BIR during that time. Sabi ng BIR, you can import and exempted from the payment of VAT, provided what you have imported as a compounder should be unfit for human consumption. However, I discovered that a lot, mayroong unos na dumarating na importation. Ang laki. Sabi ko, bakit kaya nag-import ang mga ito? So, I discovered by checking the volume, the report, as a matter of fact, nagising ang lower house, in-investigate ng lower house yan. So, my point is, what they have imported, hindi naman talaga ginamit sa feeds. Because ang feeds, as I know, ang compounding feeds lang ng palm oil o ng coconut is only 0.05%.
Opo.
But yung importation was so huge. So we discovered that it is being sold as cooking oil because it does not pay the value-added tax. And it is also used as an additive for the biodiesel because the law in biodiesel, it says only coconut can be mixed because that was intended to help the coconut industry. However, enterprising people are importing using that because the gap is so much. Today, for instance, ang price ng crude coconut oil in the crude in foreign country in the world market is $2,570,000 per metric ton. Ang price ng palm oil is 1,100 per metric ton. So, I was saying that there should be an automatic change sa gamit, di ba? If the price differential is X amount, then dapat gamitin mo ng coconut or vice versa, gamitin mo naman ng palm oil kung mababa. That way, it will also bring down the price ng diesel in the ang mga pump prices. No?
Yes, sir.
And it
Sir
will
Jess,
reduce.
sorry. I don't
Yes,
want to interrupt you here. But then at the same
Okay
time,
lang.
you're talking about yung economics po ng using coconut
Oo.
oil in particular. Some people are also wondering about yung coconut supply po natin because right now, people are saying, or at least you have mentioned, or your organization has mentioned, na manonormalize next year yung coconut supply dito sa Pilipinas po, almost in time for yung biodiesel shift. What is driving yung recovery na to po?
Well, brought pagka kasi ba ang stiff yung heat ng mga past year, ang tendency is bumabawi yan sa mga umuulan na, bumabawi ang coconut, bearing fruits faster na maging copra so that it can be transformed into oil. Pero my only point is this.
Opo.
I am promoting coconut. I am based in coconut. I'm promoting coconut. However, I cannot do something promoting it, but unscrupulous people are making money because we lost about 45 billion pesos in value-added tax. And that's why the government ordered to stop the importation.
Yes.
And alam mo kung ilan ang na-reduce sa importation, na Paulo? Na-reduce yan by 70%.
70% po.
70%. Tingnan mo ang difference lang ha. I do the same mixture. 2,570 ang coconut. $1,100 per metric ton ang palm oil. So, if you don't officially say that you can use palm oil, they will always say, I am using coconut, therefore I will charge you based on a 2,570, not on a 1,100. Yun lang.
Well, sir, again, looking at yung economics po nito and of course the importation, it feels like it's a bigger problem, a bigger story to be able to chase. But at the moment po, let's focus on yung coconut farmers po mismo and how if the coconut oil is used properly and of course yung creation of biodiesel is focused on coconut, how will this actually help yung mga local farmers po natin?
Coconut used for biodiesel is just a small quantity. Hindi masyadong malaki yan. And kaya, it doesn't matter much sa coconut farmers. Ang coconut farmers talaga is, yung driving force dyan is the world market price of competitive oils. And remember, we have to use coconut kasi more on the high value products. Like, we were able to have Jocones Hospital in a counterpart ng subsidiary of I should say ng Harvard saying that coconut oil coconut oil is safe, there is no cholesterol in coconut oil, and it helps the body. Mayroong may mga contents yan na can help the brain, can help the heart. It can also kill envelope virus. Proven yan in the United States, Jocones Hospital. So, dapat sana, kung ako, i-develop natin ang mga high-value finished products because that cannot be matched by palm oil because they cannot do that. But if we only use oil lang tayo, iho, ang mangyayari, ang palm oil per hectare can produce 5 tons of oil. Our coconut, kung oil lang ang pagbasehan mo, can only produce 500 kilos of oil. So, definitely wala kang laban.
Yes, sir.
So we have to shift to high value, medicinal value. Mayroon tayo virgin coconut oil, mayroon tayong medium chain triglyceride that can help the body and kill envelope virus. So bakit hindi natin i-promote yan? Yun dapat ang habol natin ngayon. Research, more of research or develop those which have been developed na. Yun lang naman ang focus ko. Now, in the event that there is a chance for us to sell abroad higher value, then switch to a lower value so that you can lower the pump price, you can help the farmers sell at a higher value, and again, save our country's fund.
And of course, sir, you mentioned a while ago the shift to yung high-value products could be the key to help improve yung
Yes.
state ng coconut industry po natin. I wish we had more time, but to be honest, this feels like this is a longer conversation that we could have had for this. But unfortunately po, that's all the time that we have. We
Just
really
one
appreciate your time
statement.
po. Yes, sir.
Just one statement na ho. Nagkakamali ho kumisan ang mga kasama ko sa coconut. Because akala nila, when I promote this, I am against coconut. Hindi ho. They cannot just understand. Or some of them, maybe, because they are investigating now 7 companies. BIR is investigating kung saan na-ibenta yung mga in-import nilang pamulin.
Well, Sir Jess, maraming salamat po.
Yeah.
Really appreciate your insights and your time. And hopefully we can have more conversations about coconuts very soon. Maraming
Thank you
salamat
very
po, and
much.
we hope to have you again.
Salamat po sa inyo.